Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. In this video I just want to focus on the smaller time frame chart. In the last video I focused on the daily and I think it was even the weekly chart, so you might want to check that out. If you're new here on the channel, you'll find that video on the channel as the last XRP video before this one, and therefore we don't need to repeat that. So I just want to focus on the smaller time frame. And it is a bullish analysis, and I give the bulls here the benefit of the doubt, even though with XRP I have to say we have to be a bit on the side of caution, because XRP usually only rallies in corrective structures. But if XRP can form a 5-wave move up as shown as per the white scenario from the 5th of July low, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5, so one more high, then we have a first bullish, really bullish scenario setup opportunity for the subsequent pullback. At the moment, I can only identify 3 waves up. Yeah. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and we might need one more high. So I don't have 5 waves. Yeah. Now, I know some people call that 5 waves already. Well, I don't, because otherwise you don't have a, well, you know, you can't count 5 waves in the third. You know, it's all about the subwave structures then. But we can identify a 3-wave move. And as I shared with you in yesterday's update and the updates the days before, the move to the upside is likely going to be a large ABC structure. So A, B, C. The A wave can be a 3-wave move as per the rules. Okay, as per Elliott wave rules, A waves can be 3-wave movements. They often are. They very often are. But A waves can also be 5-wave movements, which would be clearer. It would offer more clarity. It would be more clearly bullish. Also, an A wave with 3 waves can be bullish if the subsequent pullback is corrective, A, B, C, and forms a higher low into the support region between 52.4 and 42.6 cents. However, it would be more clearly bullish if we have 5 waves up, because the 5-wave move in Elliott wave tells us that the trend is up. Essentially, it just means it's forming a series of higher highs and higher lows, which you don't really have with only 3 waves up. So it's, or at least not that clearly. So that just means we have to consider both scenarios. They're both reasonable. My view is we can focus directly on higher in the white count to see if the market can follow a 5-wave move up, which I'm doubting. I'm happy to be impressed, okay? And we can follow that trend, but I'm doubting it from what I've seen before with XRP. It just tries to avoid 5-wave movements. So the immediate uptrend is still alive. So we're following the trend line higher. That trend line is holding. And as long as the trend line is holding, there's no sign of a top in place. Also, the movement to the downside looks corrective, overlapping in nature. So it doesn't indicate clearly a top. But I've added a microstructure for the 5th wave to the upside, which started down here at circle wave 4 low on the 19th of July. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside. Wave 3 would still be unfolding most likely, then a 4-5. What this micro count tells us is that the invalidation point for the white count as it is, the microstructure is here. 57.4, 57.3 cents. Holding above that level allows for further upside in this microstructure. Breaking below it will open the door to a stronger decline in yellow wave B, so indicating that the A wave topped in 3 waves. That's actually quite simple. So we have 2 parameters to watch really, the trend line and then the last swing low here. Breaking below it would open the door for a C wave down in wave B, possibly to test 52.4 cents, 49.3, 46.4, or 42.6, even though that would be very, very deep. Ideally, based on how this looks, to maintain a bullish perspective after the price reacted to the larger, support region here, the price should hold the, well, it should hold 42.6, but ideally doesn't even go down that much. Yeah. So that's all there is at the moment about XRP. The price hasn't really moved since yesterday. I think it's important to observe the red line, the green trend line, and any break above this week's high at 63.2 cents would be a strong indication that we're going higher as per the white wave count, and I'd like to see it get to around about 70 cents or higher in wave 5 of A. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.